Most funnels don't break at the top, they break in the transitions. Good revenue leaders already know this, but many teams still focus on volume over progression. The mindset is, we need more pipeline. No, sometimes you need more pipeline moving. Now, don't misunderstand what I'm saying here. Having a consistent pipeline is critical, because without it, there's nothing to close. For credibility, I've helped 70 plus venture and private equity backed companies get consistent pipeline from outbound. When I go into a company, it's usually because the revenue leader isn't satisfied with the current pipeline or the consistency and quality of it, or they want to ramp an outbound function from scratch. In all cases, I can tell you that when pipeline starts to fill, it happens quickly, and in all cases, it's much like filling a watering can. And when the can is empty, you can't really see where the holes are. So when you have sellers and an empty watering can, there's no way to know and no way to see who the superstars are and who might need some help getting there. So having a consistent pipeline means having the opportunity to course correct before burning capital and time getting too far into a year on the wrong foot. So here's how I frame it when working with revenue leaders. Deals die in the space between your stages. You lose deals when reps don't know what must be true before an opportunity can legitimately progress. Every stage has a required truth, and that truth needs to be crystal clear to everyone on your team. For example, stage 0 to stage 1. Is it dead in the water, or will there be some sort of follow-up of any kind? Or maybe even a second meeting on the calendar. Stage 1 to stage 2. Did we create tension? Did we give the prospect a business reason to continue? Stage 2 to stage 3. Does the prospect have internal energy behind the problem that we solve? If not, I can tell you that the deal will not survive an internal meeting without you sitting there. For enterprise deals with multiple stakeholders, if your prospect can't explain in one clear sentence a very compelling business reason to do a deal with you, then you're likely already dead in the water. Stage 3 to stage 4, have champions translated your message internally, or is the rep still doing all the heavy lifting on their own? Stage 4, commit. Do we have a believable path to signature, or are we forecasting with just hope? Call this happy ears. Funnel progression is all about friction removal. Activity doesn't create progression, clarity does. If you want to see the pipeline model and benchmarks I use with CROs, shoot me a DM and I'll share it with you.